morning from Gyul, ready to sail off. And here we have Ollie with Moonshine and Gypsy the dog. Good morning. Yeah, sailing to 4. Yeah. There is no wind, just very little wind today. And it's coming, of course, against me. And I think I'm gonna have the current against me today. So I think 6 hours something to 4. Under the bridge, yeah! Just passing Limfjord. It's going good. I hope soon I will be able to sail. Yeah, after almost 4 hours motoring, finally now I can get some wind in the sails, and it's beautiful. We're doing about 5 knots, and that is like a 3 meters per second wind or something, like 6 knots. Not much, but we're doing 5.1, so that's great. And we're sailing. I'm just out from Limfjord for some time ago, and over there is Limfjord Island. Yeah. And on the other side I have the south of Limfjord, the hills, and down to Limfjord. Yeah. This is the ferry that comes from Limfjord, goes to Limfjord. Well, I had to start the motor again. After I had been sailing for 45 minutes, I started the motor with the sails. Now I turn to the south tip of Limfjord. I turn around and heading towards 4. I should be there in about 5 quarters. And I turn off the motor, and I'm on sails, and we're doing 5 knots. That's nice. This is 4.
got to make them money. Let's just kicking down the cobblestones, looking for fun and feeling groovy. Ba-da-ba-bum, bum, 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 feeling groovy. Hello lamppost, what you knowing? I've got to watch your flowers growing, and you got no rhymes for me. Do 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 do, feeling groovy. Ba da ba bum 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 bum, feeling groovy.
Good morning, leaving Fur, going to Jærendy.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices making me afraid.
So going into Jærendy Island. Så har vi fin ankomst her med Mr.
Hvordan sidder mit hår?
Hej med dig. Så mødes vi efter mange år. Se her, Ben. Se her. Langtidsparkering forbudt. Og hvad gør du så?
Ja,
Så holder du der.
No.
Så holder du der.
Jeg burde jo flytte det tæt der, det ser rodet. Alle mine dæller. Se mit fine gelænder.
Så skal Ben have en is. Ja. Så har vi besøg af Mr. Bent Fleming.
Der er skippermøde.
Himself, skibemøde. Og vi har nogle chips og øl.
Kaffe.
Så der var noget kaffe. Vi har det godt.
Ja, og vi er i live endnu.
Hej hej, god tur!
Good evening everybody and welcome to another Let's Play music session. Thank you so much for coming by. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven?
Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe. Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan, mi Marte me espera mientras rodea. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe.
Yeah, so leaving you knew, heading for Gul. Beautiful weather, sunshine, warm, no wind, little wind, but it's of course against us.
Go out now, be good, be fine, live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind, live it's your life, go on now, chase your dreams, everything, go on.
Just passing the west side of Fur.
Be fine, live your life.
I left Fur behind me and I'm approaching Liu.
Live your life.
So we're getting near Limfjord. We are doing fine and just passing Nibe. Somewhere out there is Nibe. We're passing a little island just before Nibe and Gul, and there's lots of birds and seals on the island. Not very easy to see. So we're in the Dragon Passage. Almost in Gul. Yeah, so we are in Gul. In good time.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
Coming near the bridge and I'm going full speed here. The train bridge should open any minutes now. And then in about 40 minutes the next bridge. So I hope I make it. Looks like I'm gonna make it.
Something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel
Almost coming to Hals. So arriving at Hals after 4 or 5 days. 1 o'clock. That's great time. 5 hour sail. It was a great trip into Limfjord. So Stepsy home again after a long trip. Everything went great. Thank you, Stepsy.
On our tiptoes,